Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a wig review on this unit that I'm wearing right now. I have the same color as the model. The color that I have is DR. Let me say that again. The color I have is DR3/H Gold. So this is the stock card. It has a Swiss lace eye parting, soft flexible stretch. I'm reading this underneath here. This is the Outre in Play human hair lace wig. I have it in the style Jericka. So yeah. And then also it has like step-by-step on how you can wear this wig. Oh, okay. So you can also wear this as a my review. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel and I need more subscribers. So if you like my content and you find yourself watching my videos more than once, then that's a sign you need to subscribe. So hit that button down there and, you know, be part of my channel, okay? So let's jump into this review and let's get it cracking and rolling. So the cap size on this unit is very comfortable. I believe it can fit small, large, medium, all head types. It's very comfortable on my head. The texture on this unit is like a soft, yaki texture. Very nice. This wig is not heavy at all. It's very fluffy and it's very flowy. This is like nice. I am going to show you guys a 360. I'm also going to show you guys how long it is and all that. So don't worry, I will show you. The length on this unit, I do not know how long this is, but do keep in mind that I am 5'6", but I will once again get up and show you guys how it looks on me. The color again is just in case you guys didn't catch it, it's the DR3/H Gold. So it's basically the gold color. It's the same color on the stock card. So I'm gonna pause that for a minute, take a look at it. There you go. And this color is so freaking beautiful. It is so freaking beautiful. So now that I'm done telling you guys the details, let me get up and show it to you. Front. First, I'm gonna, do a spin around and then spin the camera around so you can see the length. But first, let me do it this way. So this is how long it is. You guys see the back? So I am 5'6", and it is about what? Just above my butt. So yeah, nice. Okay, so hopefully you guys got a nice view of it. I'm going to flip it around so that you guys can see. And I also got my wine ready. Look at this bottle, y'all. I got this from my local store. It's called Z Gallery. This was only like, what, $12? So I got my wine in it. About to go out tonight. So yeah, let me take a sip of that real quick. You guys need to really try this wine. I'm gonna have it linked right there. Check it out. It is so freaking good, y'all. So freaking good. Okay, so let's finish this review. Now this is the parting. You guys see that? I always try to remember to show you guys the parting because that used to be one of my like pet peeves of not with these wig reviews, is not seeing how the part looks when people review them. So to me, the parting is okay. It's not as natural as the Bobby Boss's parts, but it's a wigs and it's a lace wig, so you can pull out your baby hairs. But yeah, this is how good it's going to get with this. And just so you know, it doesn't raise up or anything, but it's just like a normal regular Outre wig. Is not nothing like the perfect hairline lace. I do want to point that out to you guys. So I'm going to show it to you again. how it looks on camera is how it looks in real life. And then let's talk about the color. So as you can see, this color at the top, to me it's like a number 4, and it ombre slowly, gradually goes into this gold color. And then let's see, let me stand up so you guys can like see. As it get longer, it just stays that same color, but it's like a golden, this is like a beautiful, beautiful color. I don't even know how to describe it, but it is so gorgeous. So yeah, I hope that reached every point that you guys needed to know about this wig. If I did forget anything, please let me know in the comment section and I will answer the question. So I do recommend this wig. This wig is very beautiful, it's flowy and all that, but just keep in mind that the parting, this is how it looks. But you know, you can camouflage that with, you know, adding baby hairs or pulling out your own baby hairs. I just wanted to show you guys, for the people who do not want to do all that, how it's going to look and what you're going to get. So again, let me show you the wig. Y'all see? Check it out. So if you guys don't have any more questions, I hope you guys have a great Friday night. I'm about to step out and enjoy my night. Today was my last day of work. I start school next week, and I am so excited to start my journey in the makeup industry. I'm leaving the business accounting field. I did postpone my school and I'm almost done with it, but I decided to postpone that to do what I'm passionate about. I feel that it's the right time to do it. Why not do it now? Like, why procrastinate? Do it now when the time, I believe the timing is right for me to pursue this. And you know how you have a passion for something and you're doing something else, like you don't put your all into that because that's not what you're passionate about. And life is too short and gets too hard for you to be doing something that you do not enjoy. So with how life is, when you do things that you love to do, it becomes easier and more enjoyable, especially with well, yeah, I'm not gonna get personal and stuff with it. So yeah, thanks guys again for watching. Love you all. I hope you guys subscribe and I see you guys later.